Tennessee, that's also where the, what do you call it? The Smoky Mountains are, right? I think that's East Tennessee. Ah, okay, Abdul, you're in Boston. Very cool. Great city. Heard it's super expensive to live there, though. I've had job offers to work in Boston. I remember maybe 8 years ago, somebody offered me a job in Boston, and I went and researched the cost of living. Wow, I did not realize Boston was so expensive. When did that happen? Labd Allah says, "Hey Dennis, I'm Mandy Badouin from Pakistan. Hope you're doing okay." I'm doing okay, thank you. I wanted to know, where does web scraping fall in the data science sphere, and is it worth doing as a freelancer? Labda, let's go ahead and save those questions towards the end, because I'm presenting a project idea today that maybe you'd be interested in, right? So let me go ahead and, come back to that. 7AQ coming in strong with the questions. Didn't even bother to introduce themselves. So bad. Gonna come back to your questions later, okay? Okay, Lakshmi says that they are from Saratoga, California, and I work as a data scientist in AI product-based software. Okay, very cool. What level data scientist? Usually people are given levels, or just let me know what year you're in. I'm curious about that. And you're in Saratoga, California. That's up north, isn't that like Napa Valley? That sounds familiar. I think that's like Napa Valley, isn't it? Let me know where that is. Praveen, our good friend, our good regular. Hey, hi, hello, Dennis, sir. I'm doing. Good morning. Nice to see you. Yep, Patrick is kindly providing the Discord link there. The Discord is really become a great resource, so I highly encourage you guys to join. Look forward to having more discussion with you guys there. Again, especially if you're coming to sessions like today, where I'm gonna kind of almost like teach a class, or on Sundays if you come to the Introduction to Statistical Learning book walkthrough. The Discord is a great place to follow up with good guys like Patrick and ask questions and kind of have the community help themselves. So thanks for posting that link there, Patrick. Shashir says, it's already dark here in Nepal. Good evening. I love the way you explain things. Oh, thank you so much for that. Yeah, I know that this isn't a great time for Asia, but it's the best time slot I could find. I realize that for Asia, it's super late. But Shishir, I am offering some streams that are more convenient for the Asia region. So keep an eye out for those. I ran a test last Thursday and it worked out well. So yeah, keep an eye out for those. Go to my YouTube, subscribe and notify, and it'll tell you when I'm going live. And yeah, I will be trying to be more aware of that and do more Asia friendly streaming. Mansi, I think you're new, so I appreciate you joining us. Mansi is from Bangalore, India. Welcome. Patrick shares, Rocky Top is the nickname for the Community College of Tennessee. Cool, good for you, Patrick. Sounds like a fine community college. Okay, Joseph Hernandez says, yep, it's in East Tennessee, and I guess that's the yep for the Smoky Mountains.